Are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process? In this video, we are diving deep into the top AI video editing tools of 2025. We will explore everything from beginner-friendly platforms to powerhouses for cinematic production. Whether you are a social media influencer, a business owner, or a filmmaker, there is an AI editor here for you. InVideo. InVideo is a cloud-based AI video editing platform designed to simplify the creation process for marketers, YouTubers, and small businesses. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to beginners, while its robust feature set appeals to those producing high volumes of content. InVideo offers an AI script generator that transforms text prompts into video-ready scripts paired with a vast library of millions of stock videos, images, and music tracks. This eliminates the need for external assets, streamlining workflows. The platform includes over 5,000 customizable templates tailored for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, ensuring professional results with minimal effort. Additionally, InVideo's text-to-video feature can convert articles or scripts into fully realized videos, complete with visuals and audio. Mobile apps for iOS and Android allow creators to edit on the go, a boon for those with tight schedules. However, advanced users may find customization options somewhat limited compared to professional software like Adobe Premiere, and the free plan includes watermarks with restricted export quality, 720p. Pricing is affordable, with a free plan at $0, a business plan at $15 per month, billed annually, offering 1080p exports and 60 minutes of AI video generation, and an unlimited plan at $30 per month for unlimited exports. InVideo is ideal for small businesses, YouTubers, and marketers creating social media content, ads, or promotional videos, particularly those prioritizing ease and affordability over intricate control. Synthesia. Synthesia stands out for its focus on AI-generated avatars and multilingual video content, making it a go-to for corporate training, presentations, and global marketing. The platform allows users to create videos with over 100 hyper-realistic avatars that mimic human movements, eliminating the need for actors or on-camera talent. Its text-to-video feature converts scripts into polished videos, complete with natural-sounding voiceovers in over 120 languages, which is a significant advantage for companies targeting international audiences. Synthesia also supports custom branding, allowing users to incorporate logos and brand colors, and offers collaboration tools for enterprise teams. While its interface is user-friendly, even for non-technical users, Synthesia's creative flexibility is limited compared to traditional editing software, and its avatar-driven videos may feel impersonal for some audiences. Pricing starts at $22 per month, billed annually for the personal plan, which includes 10 minutes of video per month, while the enterprise plan offers custom pricing with unlimited video minutes and advanced features like custom avatars. There is no free plan, though a trial is available. Synthesia is best suited for businesses and educators producing training videos, explainer content, or localized marketing materials, where multilingual support and professional polish are paramount. Runway. Runway is a powerhouse for creators seeking advanced AI tools and cinematic quality, appealing to filmmakers, artists, and professionals with some editing experience. Its Gen 3 Alpha model generates high-resolution videos from text or image prompts, delivering crisp visuals that rival traditional production methods. Features like Motion Brush allow users to adjust specific elements within a video frame, while Director Mode offers precise control over camera movements and styles. Runway also supports custom AI training, enabling creators to tailor outputs to their unique aesthetic or characters. The platform's regular updates keep it at the forefront of AI innovation, but its complexity can be daunting for beginners, and occasional server overloads may slow performance. The free plan is limited, with watermarked exports, while the standard plan at $12 per month, billed annually, provides 625 credits per month and 1080p high exports, and the Pro plan at $28 per month offers 2,250 credits and 4K exports. Runway excels for cinematic short films, music videos, or experimental art projects, making it ideal for creators who prioritize creative control and high-end results over simplicity. Pictory. Pictory is tailored for marketers and educators looking to transform text, scripts, or long-form videos into concise, engaging content. Its standout feature is the ability to convert blog posts, articles, or scripts into videos with stock footage, music, and voiceovers, making it a favorite for content repurposing. Pictory's auto subtitle feature adds captions effortlessly, and its branding options allow customization of fonts and colors to align with a company's identity. The platform's simplicity ensures quick turnaround, but its reliance on stock assets can result in videos that feel generic, and advanced users may find the lack of granular control limiting. Pricing includes a basic plan at $19 per month, billed annually, for 30 videos per month at 720p, a professional plan at $39 per month for 60 videos per month at 1080p, and a Teams plan at $99 per month for 200 videos per month with premium features. While there is no free plan, a trial is available. Pictory is perfect for marketers repurposing webinars or blogs into social media clips, educators creating lesson-based videos, or businesses producing quick promotional content, especially when efficiency is key. Veed.io. Veed.io is a browser-based AI video editor that prioritizes simplicity and accessibility, making it a top choice for beginners, influencers, and small businesses. Its AI-powered features include automatic subtitles with translation capabilities, text-to-speech for natural-sounding voiceovers, and noise reduction to enhance audio quality. Veed.io's template library is geared towards social media, enabling quick creation of Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or YouTube Shorts. The platform's collaboration tools facilitate team editing, and its browser-based nature eliminates the need for software installation. However, advanced editing features are limited compared to tools like Runway, and processing times can lag for larger files. The free plan offers watermarked 720p exports, while the basic plan at $10 per month, billed annually, provides 1080p exports without watermarks, and the Pro plan at $20 per month includes 4K exports. And advanced AI tools. Veed.io is ideal for influencers creating captioned social media content, startups producing product demos, or small teams needing collaborative, user-friendly editing solutions. Captions. Captions is designed for creators who want professional-grade videos without technical expertise, excelling in automated editing. Its AI removes ums and likes from audio, adjusts gaze for natural-looking videos. The basic plan costs $9.99 per month for core AI tools. The Pro plan at $24.99 per month includes concurrent video generation and advanced features. And the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing for teams. There is no free plan, but a trial is available. Captions is ideal for podcasters creating video versions of episodes, influencers producing clean social media clips, or businesses enhancing recorded presentations, particularly when automation and polish are priorities. Conclusion. The landscape of AI video editing tools in 2025 offers something for every creator, from beginners to seasoned professionals. By assessing your budget, technical skills, and project goals, you can select the tool that aligns best with your vision. Most platforms offer trials, so testing them firsthand is a practical step to finding the perfect fit. Please subscribe for more updates and insights into AI video editing tools.